Opus pricing and plans. Which one should you choose? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so in this video, I'm going to help you to make a decision on which plan you should get for Opus Clip. So if you don't know what Opus is, basically it repurposes your videos into smaller clips with text down at the bottom or up at the top. It's a really convenient way to repurpose your longer form videos. And if you create video content online, this is an awesome tool. Alright, so let's head into the pricing tab on the Opus Clip website. Alright, so first thing is they do have a free plan. That's how I started off, and that's how I recommend you guys start off with initially if you're still on the fence or you're thinking about it. I will have my link down in the description if you find this video helpful, and I suggest starting off with the free plan because they give you 60 minutes for free. Now with the free plan, obviously there are some restrictions, right? It's 60 minutes, which is a decent amount of rendering time, processing time, 1080p, which is fine if you're going to be putting this stuff on social media. Now the only downside is it will have a watermark because it's free. You don't get to edit the clips, which I think is fine for the free plan because for the most part it's going to take you to 80 to 90% for a short clip. Alright, so that's the free plan. I suggest starting off with that. Now after you've done the free plan, you're like, okay, now which one should I do? Starter or Pro? And I will say here up at the top, they have it toggled to yearly or monthly. So if I switch this monthly, then you can see that the Pro is 19 US a month and the Starter is 9 a month. And this is in US prices. Now, I'm not sure how long this promotion is going to be for, but you can see that the Pro plan, if you pay for the year, it's pretty much the same as the starter plan. So if you've already decided that you want to get Opus Clip, this plan would probably be best because they have significantly dropped down the price. But besides that promotion, let's go over to decide, the minutes, right? Because people are always trying to know how many minutes do I need. So for me personally, I have the Pro plan because I have a YouTube channel along with my business partner, and we also run clients' YouTube channels. Another thing is to look at your video content and see how long your videos are. So right off the bat, I knew that I wanted to get the Pro plan, not necessarily just because, I have clients and all that kind of stuff, but because we do a 1 hour long live stream. So that right there is 60 minutes. And so the starter plan has 150 minutes per month. And if I'm doing one live stream, that right there is using a big chunk of the minutes that you get allocated per month. Now, when you pay yearly for the Pro plan, you get all of your minutes available instantly. And if you do run out of minutes, you can purchase more. So if I switch this back to the monthly, this is the plan that I'm on, the Pro plan, and it's 300 minutes per month. And you can see here, they also have what's called a pack, right? So if I switch this over to 2 packs, instead of 300, you get 600. So they give them in 300-minute chunks when you do this for monthly. Again, if you do yearly, then you get all of your minutes all at once. Now, some reasons why the Pro plan worked well for me and my business partner is because we do have a team, and so I can allocate a spot to my team member to be able to use this without having to use the login and me giving her the code and things like that. I can just assign her a spot, and so she can go and use this on her own. Another thing that was really helpful was the 5 brand templates. Like I said, we have our own channel, but we also have other channels that we manage, and they have different branding. So it's really useful to be able to choose the brand right away with the colors, with the font, with the specifications. I don't need to tweak that each time. I can just set that onto the video when I load up the video to get the short clips. So you really want to take inventory of your videos and their minutes. Do you have 1 hour long videos? Are your videos always under 5 minutes? If you have shorter videos, then the starter would probably do fine for you if it's just you and yourself. But if you are a professional business and content creation is a large part of, marketing, then I would go for the Pro. Another cool thing in the Pro is the social media posting. So you can post directly to YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter's coming soon, Facebook is coming soon. I'm very interested in that. And Snapchat's also coming soon. They also have a social media scheduler for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, and LinkedIn's coming soon. So I personally think the Pro plan is the best, and right now they have a crazy promotion. I have no idea how long this is going to last for. But if you already know that you want to incorporate short video clips in your marketing strategy, then this is pretty much a no-brainer. But again, try it out for yourself for free with the 60 minutes. My link will be down in the description below. If you found this video helpful, if you have any other questions, please let me know in the comments and I will get to them. And make sure you're subscribed to the channel because I will be uploading Opus Clip how-to tutorials. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.